How to fix mobile hotspot not working on Windows 10 or 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can solve if the mobile hotspot is not working. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, normally, if you have given hotspot and then turned it on, and on your Wi-Fi settings, you should be able to see that particular, let's say, device that you're trying to maybe connect to or maybe do something else here, right? So just here you can see I have released the hotspot from my device here, and if I want to connect, I need to enter the password. Now, if it is not working, it could be due to a couple of reasons. First, just try to disconnect from the device and then restart the device from where you're trying to broadcast the hotspot. And also restart your laptop because sometimes that could also fix the issue. Now, next thing you want to check is your network adapter. So just go to your device manager over here. Once you go to device manager, here you will see this type of option. On the left hand side, you want to simply go to network adapters and just try to update these network adapters. So just go ahead and click on update driver, check if there's any sort of update and see if that actually helped you. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.